Howdy y'all, it's Mega Gaming back at again with some more Cry of Fear. Start timer in, let's start playing. In the last episode, we managed to find the code to the elevator. Now we just have to get to the elevator and use the code. Alright. It should be on the fourth floor. And it was 9729. 972. Alright. Let's keep it. Yes, I did the thing. Alright, we out. We're getting out. I'm excited. Yes! I did it. So this must be the whatever floor this is. What the hell? What is this place? Good question. Everything's bloody. Still nothing. Thank you for the mags. That must mean I'm being prepared for something. Yep, definitely. Save. Being prepared for what, though? I don't know. Okay. Oh. Stock. Oh, that's a chainsaw. Look at things orderable like this. Oh, I saw you in the weekly. Oh god. Oh shit. Reload you. You circle around. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hello. No, I'm just gonna hit it. Hello? Okay, come at me. Oh, don't come at me. Pinhead, want to be? Oh god. Oh shit. Load. Come on, Lord. Ammunition. Here. Die. Oh. Yes. I did it! Summon! Sablet! Yeah, he's drunk on victory! Yeah! Okay. Ooh, what's this? It looks like a book. Okay. Alrighty. Well.
Did I pass out?
Yeah, you did. Ooh, who's that?
Who's that?
Yeah.
Relax. I am not one of them.
Who are you then?
You look like one.
I'm nobody.
What?
Yeah, you're a doctor. It says it right there.
It's very dangerous.
Yeah, I kind of
Wait.
figured.
Why are you wearing a gas mask?
Are you stupid or something? Do I look like I won't turn into one of them?
Turn?
I can't trust you. I don't know if you're real. Just leave me alone.
Alright, Mr. Nobody. Dude with the gas mask. Doctor. My jaw feels weird. Chapter 2. Who's that doctor? Save. And you know, as of lately, I've been like hearing like my ears, but my right ear has been feeling very weird. Oh, oh Jesus! Oh. Oh. Morphine. Morphine, I guess. Ugh. Now, mag. Much needed mag. Ha, stairs. You can't. Oh, wait. And these creatures, these monsters are very scary. Okay, nothing. I expected something. Alrighty. Okay. Nothing, more nothing. Okay. Let's move on. Homeless. Come on. Not stick. Just gonna stick with my pistol thing, man. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Shit. Reload. Reload quickly. I'm safe. I'm safe. Got the number with your phone, press Z. Sounds familiar? Wait, question. This is a question article. With navigation, why do I need to call? Locked. There's a key. Okay, what was the 543 214? Fuck. Okay. 543 214. 5 4 3 2 1 4. Oh, yeah, getting.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Who is this? What the fuck are you talking about? I need help, please!
5, 2, 4, 7.
God damn it! Help me!
Alright. crazy wacko. Wait, I wondered. Let's call the police. What's the... how do you call the police in Sweden? I know it's like different in different countries. Is it like... Is it 911? Oh! Okay. What's that? 524 something. Okay. Ah, that's the sound of like a echo from like Half-Life 1. Wings back, good wings. Nothing over there. Nothing over here. Was there nothing over here? Okay, dead end. Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Go. Oh, Christ, somebody. Oh, yeah, just... Oh, okay, get me that here. Get the hell out of here. God, it looks dark in here. Oh, I don't like that. I do not like that. Think about it, I could have yeah, let's put it over here. Go. Okay. I'm alive. Give me it. Zombie apocalypse going on? Jesus. Okay, I need to save ammo, so I'm switching to this bad boy. Ugh. One object. He has a weird tongue attack. Took a lot. Yeah, miss. I want to explore that other path. Okay. Oh, wait, can I break it? I don't think so. Let's exploring in the canals. Okay. Just like Half-Life. Half-Life 2 be exact. Ah, ladder. Ding, ding. Cool. Construction site. Okay, let me explore a bit. Any food? No. No, I think it's a nice stick better than a hammer. Can't go in there. Ooh. Okay, I guess I go down here. Bit deeper. I don't like this, not one bit. Oh, Jesus. With no escape? Ooh, a mag. Just what I needed. Okay, let's save and progress even further. You're silent type. You don't say anything. Jesus. What's in here? Mag. Yes, okay. What's in here? Block. What's in here? Jesus. Jeff, welcome to the team. I'm sure your supervisor has already gone over the basics, but here's a few things you'll want to know. 1. This cave is wet, cold, and filled with puddles. Watch your step. 2. Cigarettes breaks every 2 hours. Most important. 3. The supervisor is a dick. 4. Remember the code to Section D. You're going to be going back and forth all day. You'll need to memorize it. Code is 279. The last number is covered in ink. I can't read it. Key. Okay. 279. So 279. 9. 2, 7, 9, 8. 2, 7, 9, 7. 2, 7, 9, 6. Hold on, did I make it right? 2, 7, 9, yes, okay. 2, 7, 9, 5. 2, 7, 9, 4. 2, 7, 9, 3. 2, 7, 9, 2. Onwards. Oh. am hungry. Okay, better make sure this mag. Shotgun shells. Yet I don't have a shotgun. Bummer. Hey! Hell yeah. Shotgun time. Oh, shit. Switch bay, easy to tell, or rather weak with ineffective range drop. Come here. Anything over here I should know about? Oh shit. Did I explore this effectively? This is yes, I did. As effective as he can be. Shotgun. No. Shit. Okay, that was exciting. Anyway, this is the end of the video. If you got this far, that must mean you enjoyed watching me play this game. And if you did, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. It would really help me out in my channel a lot if you hit those 3 buttons. Leave a comment giving me feedback or encouragement. I would greatly appreciate it and would love to read those comments. Hit the notification bell to see when I post a video, usually at 12 p.m. Central Time. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good day.